Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then select Continue, tap on Allow, and click on this gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Finally, click on Browse in the middle at the bottom if it's not already on, and choose Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!